Unbelievable. All that rain's come from a little bit of thunder and lightning. Ish. Blue spalled about and just grouped together turns into this horrific heat. This heat, humidity. What are the right ingredients? And still chasing this one.
You set the sun on fire. Yeah, better if you switch them on.
This area can take it all, right? Over down the side of the road. Across the road either way.
I don't think it's rained half as much. As it's rained, it won't go away.
Probably won't take too long for it to drain away. It's just that that was really recent back
No,
there.
it's intense, isn't it?
Really intense. Yeah, it was something. For those who do follow any of my videos, I'm not screw loose. Me and my other half do storm chasing and find extreme weather rather interesting in the way how it's formed. We're not any forms of professionals, though we know some basics-ish. We love what we do, and if anyone would like to comment on any of the videos that I post now or future or previously, please do so, and I welcome them. Anything that is negative, derogatory to others, will not be welcomed and will be reported. Anything that is constructive criticisms, I welcome. Other than that, I do hope that you all enjoy the videos and hope that you continue to enjoy the videos. I also apologise for any wobbliness of the previous continued couple of videos due to a little bit of driving that's been going on the couple of storm chasing that we do. I tend to be the passenger of the storm chasing team as such, and therefore I record holding a device, tends to be either mobile or tablet device, with no editing, with the exception of a little bit of cropping or trimming as such, and there's no other modifications at all. If you would like any further details, whether you would like to use this for research or otherwise, please contact me directly via Twitter on @, it's the funny @ Cindy, CINDY, ANNE dot, minus the dot actually, so apologies, Munro, MUNRO, and I will kindly respond in due course. Thank you very much for your time, and again, do hope you enjoyed the videos. Thank you. Take care.